More coronavirus testing is taking place in Leicester than anywhere else in the country. They're going door to door now.
We're knocking on doors at the moment
to track exactly where the virus is.
People are overwhelmingly positive about it. We're having people stopping us in the street asking if we can give them tests. Very few people have refused the test.
Since the city was locked down for a second time, more than 15,000 tests have been carried out. Just over 600 were positive up to the 13th of July. But the Health Secretary told Parliament the numbers are still too high. He's allowing non-essential shops to reopen from the end of next week, but still not pubs or hairdressers.
Other restrictions, like those for travel and only having social gatherings of up to 6 people, for example, will remain in force. And measures introduced on the 4th of July, like reopening the hospitality sector, will also not yet apply.
New cases peaked in the city in the week to the 21st of June at an average of 80 a day. By the 29th, when the new lockdown was declared, cases had already fallen to an average of 60 a day. There was a slight increase on the 2nd of July, which could be because of the increase in testing. But since the 8th of July, there's been a strong downward trend. Having studied the data, economist David Payton says he doesn't think the lockdown was needed.
Given we know that cases were decreasing, infections were probably decreasing around about 8 or 9 days at least before the lockdown was announced, I think it perhaps, on reflection, was a mistake for the government to go straight away into that full lockdown across Leicester.
Some businesses haven't been able to survive lockdown second time around. The Pantry, a vegan cafe in the city centre, has closed down for good.
I put all my hard work into it, my passion, my love, my energy, and I've only been going 2 years. I didn't think after 2 years that I'd be having to close.
Extending the lockdown in Leicester was all about saving lives, but it's undoubtedly cost many livelihoods. Stacey Foster, ITV News, Leicester.